I'm gonna go ahead and break this down a little bit on how I try to strike a gobbler. When hunting Rios, I've noticed in some of the places that I've hunted, they don't seem to cut. They don't seem to be as aggressive as the Easterns or the Osceola hens. So when I'm trying to strike a gobbler, a Rio gobbler, I'm gonna yelp to them, just strictly yelp, and I'll get them with raspy yelps, and I'll do some high, just clearer yelps, and that works the best for me a lot. And I'll just cover as much ground as I can and try. Sometimes I'll even add volume to it to try to get it to cover as much ground as I can and just pull those gobbles out of those turkeys.